Alright, well, strangely enough, there's another video that's appeared today, even though we released one yesterday. That's because today is the, first birthday, anniversary, whatever you call it. 1 year ago today, we released our first video, and we've come a fair way since then. What have we done? Nearly 25,000 subscribers in a year, which I reckon's pretty damn good.
For a couple of guys that can't talk on camera. Yeah,
considering the first videos we were absolutely hopeless, which I suppose is where we should mention Dallas.
Yeah.
Firstly, who the guy you guys may have seen in the first couple of videos, Dallas actually helped kick us off. He did all the editing for the first few. Had a fair bit more knowledge about how it all worked than we did. So thanks, Dallas. Probably doesn't watch it, but if you do, thanks, mate. You did get us going.
Yep.
And you were right about a lot of stuff that we argued about. So
he was.
He was.
Yeah, thanks, Dallas.
So, good on you, mate. But yeah, so 1.3 million views later, which is 145,000 watch hours, which roughly translates to 16.7 years worth of videos.
Wow.
Which is good in a year. So we're pretty stoked, like over heaps of countries. Gaza, he's all done. I was thinking of the most fun video that we've done.
Good. It was pretty
Gary was pretty cool.
It was also totally random. Cart just turned up, so we just did it.
Yeah,
it was pretty cool.
I think, what is your favourite? The favourite we've done so far?
Probably the Barrett Falcon.
Yeah, I agree. I think actually running low nines in your rotary Corolla is probably right up there. But I think the most fun was definitely running that Falcon. That was a lot of fun.
I think we needed actually to have a bit of a success instead of a fail after all the fails.
Yeah, we had a lot of fails.
Probably why it was good.
Yeah, so we've got, what do we have? The Mazda truck. I've had the van on. We did the cams on the van. That's been kicking around for a while before then.
Yeah.
So was the truck. 2J Corolla and the rotary Corolla. We've still got them, obviously. Go-kart, which is retired to the wall.
1J Ute. We did road trips and drag challenges.
In the Ute.
Probably wouldn't have done those if we didn't have the channel.
Which is, that's right.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool in the Ute too, because it was the longest drive it did when it was first built was driving to the racetrack for the first time.
Yeah. It's still driven to this day, and it doesn't even have an oil leak.
No, it's daily,
awesome.
Daily driven thing. So you'll see that again soon.
Yep.
That'll be back out there. So will the truck and the van.
Yep.
Going to get them out there soon again and have a bit of a play with them.
Next 3 weeks, I reckon.
Next 3 weeks.
Yep.
That's committed. You've committed now. They've heard that.
Still 3 weeks. I can be right at the end of the 3 weeks. I can do that.
What else have we got? So starting the channel. We have actually had a couple of comments of or questions by, not so much on the channel, but by people in person. How and why did we start? Why? I'm not even actually sure.
I reckon we put a video up of me jump starting a rotary on the dyno with a scooter.
Yeah.
And it got a lot of following.
Yeah.
Went across.
Yeah, I think that was it.
And we figured, we do a lot of stupid things like that, so we may as well sort of try and video it.
Yeah. So
people might find it interesting to watch.
Yeah, Scott's done heaps of weird stuff over the years, and I've had the thought of following him around with a camera for quite some time.
Yeah.
So we started doing it, and again a big shout out to Al and Woody, because without those guys we wouldn't be where we are.
Yeah, they gave us a good leg up at the start.
Actually it was Woody at Drag Week 2018 was telling me we should be doing it a lot over there. so thanks to those guys and Benny as well. Benny's given us a good leg up. He's helped us out. He's still helping us out. Learning curve stuff, really, isn't it? Like that we've had a whole year of
trying to figure out what gear works, how to try and record our voices without sounding like Darth Vader or fat guys with breathing problems.
Which is weird because
we're still trying to figure that out.
Well, is that because we're fat guys with breathing problems?
I'm trying to do something about that now.
Yeah, we're slowly upgrading gear.
Yeah.
We had different mics originally, and now we've upgraded them, so hopefully it's better.
Probably need to upgrade the camera next.
Yeah, camera's probably going to be the next upgrades, and maybe more cameras. Probably be helpful too. Makes it a bit hard.
But like Woody and Dallas, I guess, gave us a little bit. Those tips they gave us definitely helped us.
Oh, massive, yeah.
Figure out.
Massive helps.
When
actually,
quicker.
Oh, yeah, candles died.
Candles died.
Yeah, actually, Woody, I've talked to Woody a lot of times, asking him for tips and how to do this and how to do that, and he's helped us, given me all the answers. So,
I think we've improved a bit too. Like, no way in the world I would have talked in front of a camera 2 years ago.
No, that's right. Me either.
Just
actually,
not that sort of person.
Even in the States at that drag week challenge, and every time Woody put the camera in my face, I'd just turn away. I didn't like it.
Yeah, it's not something I've ever been into.
Yeah, it is different, but we're getting there. So
the comment section's awesome for your morale as well, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks guys.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
In fact, the first tips we ever got was do not read the comments.
Yeah.
That's probably the best one.
But reality is there's not really much bad in there now.
No, it's getting better. There's some people that get pretty butthurt over nothing.
Yeah,
sometimes.
But there's always going to be those people. So be butthurt and leave your butthurt comment. We might even reply to your butthurt comment with
negative or good comments. They both help with the channel. So.
Yeah. So video wise, we are trying to step it up. We are trying to get weekly vids. It was a couple of weeks ago we didn't get one out. End of the day, we work full time at the shop here, and sometimes it's just hard. We just don't have time to even finish our own stuff, let alone edit it or make more content.
Yeah, the time commitment's pretty huge.
Yeah.
I think with work and no garage stuff, we probably work 100 hours a week.
Yeah, it's pretty full on, but we'll try. We'll keep going. Shirts and sticker stuff, they are coming. Shirts are in the works right now. They will be here soon. Stickers should be here soon, so as soon as we get all that stuff, we will get it up on our website. So any of you guys interested in supporting us with that kind of stuff, we'll have one style of shirt to start with, and then some stickers. So let us know if you want one in the comments, and we can kind of judge how many we want, I guess.
I've got the shop pretty much built. We've just got to put stock.
Yeah. So anyway, so Millsy race. Someone's asked us about the Millsy race 1,000 times. And I'm going to cover it.
Well, that's kind of what we're doing in 3 weeks. We're going to try and, because Millsy hasn't run a 10 yet.
He hasn't?
No.
Oh,
no, so we're going to go and try and do that with 3 vehicles in
He's
one
probably
night.
going to go out there and do it tomorrow.
Maybe.
Yeah.
No, I think he can't get his gearbox to work.
Oh.
Anyway, Millsy's kind of gone. He's gone next level.
Yeah. He's moved the goal. He's taken the goalpost and just run with it.
So his crankshaft, I think that for his new combination is worth more than my entire build.
I think it's worth more than both of our commercials together.
Yeah. So, good for him, but I don't think that race is going to happen because he's talking 1,000 ruble kilowatts now.
Yeah, so we're not going to we're not keeping up with that. And, you know, I've got a 2.5 litre stock motor with a set of cams and an old L300. I'm not keeping up with that kind of gear. So until he runs, well, I haven't run a 10 either, so power-wise he's winning.
The capability's there, we just need to work on them.
Yeah, so we'll get onto that. That'll be seen, apparently, in the next 3 weeks.
Got to figure out how to drive 3 cars at once.
Yeah, that'll be fun. So yeah, so anyway, and probably the biggest thanks goes to you guys, because without you guys supporting us, obviously we wouldn't still be here. So yeah, share it around, do the like, the bell and subscribe button stuff and all that jazz, and leave comments and let us know what you think or what you want to see or anything like that. We do read the comments. Sometimes we don't reply to all of them, but we do definitely read all the comments. So,
Got some pretty cool projects coming in this next year as well.
yeah, we got some pretty uncool ones as
And
well.
uncool ones, yeah.
But you know, we can't afford too much cool stuff. So what have we got coming up? The Supra, which is we've always kind of
The
threatened
Supra's
to be
getting
out
pretty
there.
close. That's going to be
It's getting close. There's actually
really different.
movement on that.
It's going to be V8 with a remote mount turbo.
Yeah, so
We've got a golf buggy sitting here in the background that was donated to us for some kind of stupid conversion.
which is hard now because it's actually a really good buggy.
Yeah, it drives too good to pull it apart at the moment, so we'll let Ben drive it for a bit, and then when it's broken we'll fix it.
Yeah, that's the way.
Yeah.
Someone's even asked about what's that thing, so that'll probably come out maybe. Any plans for that? Maybe, just for a short go. And I've got a project that I suppose we're going to throw on there. I've had a project forever that maybe one day it'll make on the channel.
The VL.
Yeah, so
I've got a BMW E32, but I'm trying to get excited about it, but
it's a BMW.
it's just not happening so far.
I'm not into BMWs. Never have. Probably a good car actually. I don't mind that other one that's here in the shop. That actually isn't bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, so that's probably pretty much us, I guess. So yeah, thanks for all the support. 1 year on, so hopefully we'll make 2 years on and some more subscribers.
Do some more balls jokes.
Some more balls, some more balls jokes.
Yeah.
Funny. Anything else? That's about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Hopefully the candle doesn't represent our ultimate doom.
yeah, they didn't burn far at all.
Usually stuff I make catches on fly pretty well.
Yeah, but you didn't make that. We just
No, I didn't make it, that's right. Yeah.
It's China.
Alright.
All right.
Thanks
That's
for
us.
watching. See you next time. One.
What'd you do that for? How do we start then?
Yay.
Oh, struggling. Woo! We made it.